Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to use WhatsApp in your PC. And now let's check how to open your WhatsApp web in your PC. And at first you need to open one of the browser. And after in this Google you want to just search like this WhatsApp web. And just tap on the first of the website. And now you can see this is our WhatsApp web in our PC, and now you can see a QR code and etc. And now you can see we have been opened our WhatsApp desktop in our PC. And our final steps are in our devices. And after that here I am opening my WhatsApp. And after opening your WhatsApp you need to just tap on these three dots in your WhatsApp. And after that you can see a option linked device, and just tap on this linked device option from here. And after that you can see a new interface, and in this interface you can see use WhatsApp on other devices. And just tap on this link a device option from here. And after that just tap on this use mobile data. And now you can see we have been enabled a QR code. And after scanning this code you can see logging in. And now you can see our PC has been started connecting from here. And after that you can see buffering, and now you can see organizing messages. And just wait till this process. And now you can see in our device you can see Windows has been linked to our WhatsApp. And now we want to wait in our PC. And now you can see PC has been organizing the messages of our WhatsApp. And just wait till this process. And now you can see we have been connected our WhatsApp to our PC. And after that you can see all of the features in our WhatsApp will also available in our WhatsApp desktop. And you can see status, add, three dots and etc. And if you want to log out this WhatsApp from your PC, you need to just go to your device which you have been using your WhatsApp. And after that just tap on this Windows option in this device. And after that you can see two of the options like this, close and log out. And you want to just tap on this logout option from here. And now you can see logging out. And now let's check our PC. And now you can see our PC has been logged out from our WhatsApp. And by using these of the steps you can use your WhatsApp web in your PC or your WhatsApp desktop in your PC within an Android device. And you can also use all the messaging features in our WhatsApp in our PC. And I hope you will enjoy our video. And thanks for watching our video.